Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your smartband on your wrist and secure it tightly so it doesn't move around. And while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor on the back and here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the measurement. First thing we need to do is probably to wake up the screen on our smartband. So to do it, press the side button. After the screen wakes up, press the side button again to open the menu. Now you can scroll through this menu by swiping up and down on the screen, find the option called SpO2 and tap on it. And now we can tap on the measure button to start the measurement. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor, tap on measure. Stay still, try not to move too much. And here we have our result. Also, we have a graph of the whole day. So if you're measuring through the whole day, you will have the graph right here. You can also swipe up on the screen and here we have the information about the automatic measurements and you can enable it. But I'm gonna tell you how to do it in a second. And if you want to test again, you can tap on the test again button. And once you're done measuring, you can press the side button to exit the widget. If you want to enable the automatic measurement, so you want the band to measure your blood oxygen levels automatically through the whole day, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. We can, once the devices are paired, we can open the Huawei Health on our phone that is paired with our watch, or rather smartband. Tap on devices, select our Huawei Band 7 from the list of devices. Here we can scroll down, tap on health monitoring and find the option called automatic SpO2. And here we can tap on the switch to enable it like this. And once you enable it, your smartband should measure your blood oxygen levels automatically through the whole day basically. It's gonna be measuring them or the blood oxygen level every time it detects that you're resting basically. So while you're sitting or something like that, it will be measuring your blood oxygen levels. Also remember that enabling this option will reduce your battery life on the smartband, so be aware of that. And once you're done, you can close the app. Okay, and that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.